tight offside call here. Well, that must have been close, but the offside flag has gone up.
Yeah, and you look at it, and he's made a good call there. And so often they do get stick, but we should give them praise when it's due.
To Davis. Fernando Torres. And that's good attacking play. Positive thinking from the players. Here's Davis. Schneiderlin. It's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking. Well, the Saints, Southampton, trying to go marching in, trying to just get it right. It's such a complicated chemistry, isn't it, with a football club? When it goes wrong, it's very apparent to everybody. To get it right, there's no secret formula for it, and they're still searching for it. You feel if they do, and then they can get back to former glories.
Well, you'd hope so, yes. I mean, what it does take is a bit of faith and patience, which not all football chairmen have, and there's been an element of that, I think, at Southampton.
Well executed. Problems for the defenders now. Better check. Expected something a bit more difficult, I think. Possession changes feet. They've got the midfield players back behind the ball as well. The attack was thwarted and the opposition are now on the ball. What a chance here. Well, he committed himself and he made the right decision. And the pass cut out. Mata! He must have thought that he was going to get the glory at the end of a terrific run.
Yeah, I think after that, his teammates were looking on, just expecting him to put it away.
Nathaniel Klein. Schneiderlin. Fox. Rodriguez. Good ball. Needs some defensive discipline at the moment. Little flick, very easy on the eye. Gully de Prado! Defender didn't have to move to cope with the cross. Eden Hazard, very skillful when he's on the ball. Slid in there. Not keeping possession well, either team. Well, the keeper off his line to make that save. Jay Rodriguez. Rodriguez keeps it going well. And for an interception, that's quite a vital one. Well, that would be a throw. Ramirez. I'm not quite sure what he had in mind there. He just lost his bearings. Whipped out wide. Good ball to stretch the opposition. Into the attacking third. Schneiderlin. That's a great interception to cut out the threat. Ramirez. They're passing it well here. So dangerous. And it leads to this shot. And Chelsea put it into the net. Didn't think he had time for another touch of the ball. He just hit it.
Yeah, and I tell you what, it takes an awful lot of confidence to take on that shot. So many would take a touch and then the chance is gone.
Chelsea in front. Schneiderlin. To Davis. Gully de Prado. Ashley Cole tackling strongly. Cole. That's good work to keep the ball under the challenge. Well, there might be a break now for them. Lampard intercepting. And the referee intervening here, Grant Lindham, has seen something he doesn't like. Good pass. And there's a player backing him up in the middle. Great opportunity. Won it, has to clear it. Fernando Torres! Well, that could be a match-changing decision if he left the flag down. but it went up.
Yeah, and fair play. He's shown a lot of bottle there to raise his flag.
Fox. Rodriguez. Now, Stephen Davis. Here's Davis. Might need more back here to curb this piece of attacking play. Got to get more men behind the ball, I think. Mata. He's got space, and he goes for goal! He's looking for the cross. Oh, what a vital stop. It will stop the attack, that. Mikel. That's giving the ball to the opposition. The pass was a good idea, just the execution that was wrong. Ramirez. Dangerous here, Fernando Torres. The attack breaks down. Brilliant opening. Hazard! Teed up beautifully for the first-time shot, but he's missed it.
Well, it was begging to be hit, wasn't it? The quality of the pass, the weight of it, perfect.
To Davis. It's Ashley Cole in for Chelsea. And that will be a throw conceded by Ashley Cole. That pass has gone out of play, attempted pass we must call it now. And now Lampard. Oh, that's stopped the attack. Fox. Quick ball. Fox. And quickly back to his feet. Now the defender's been called into question, really, by this attacking build-up. Frank Lampard. Cole. One back very quickly. Well, he has got a chance to get the cross in. Strength needed to hold off the opponent. And it's gone out for a throw. Here's the cross. And it's a heading chance now. And that's very, very easy for Petr Cech. Well, Chelsea do hold the lead, but with half-time beckoning, we'll see whether they can get there with that lead still intact and indeed see it out for the rest of the game. Playing at home, I think they feel that they can work the offside trap today.
Yeah, it's a system I think they're comfortable with, Martin.
Good ball. Gulli de Prado. Here's Davis. Defenders need to be on their toes now. That's a good pass. Well executed. Really good stop at a vital time. Lambert. Schneiderlin. Nathaniel Klein. Schneiderlin. Well, they're in a good position here. Good ball. And out comes the keeper to take the cross rather easily. Now Cole. And it's played to Fernando Torres. Gulli de Prado. Keeps it going well. Oh, in goes the cross. Has a go with the volley. Well, the referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here. Well, this is very, very tight, and winning the ball and keeping it is two different things, really. That's why we've got an even share of possession.
Yeah, they have both had plenty of the ball, but you'd like to see a better end product from both sides in many ways.
And the teams have got the ball rolling for this second period. They're passing it well here. Here he is with and the shot at the end of it. Superb save again.
Well, the reactions there, the reflexes, were absolutely top class.
Good pass. And the supporting cast are there to help. Mata. And that's a change. Trying here to break away at speed, but the defenders were just as quick. Schneiderlin. Might be able to find some space down the sides if they go wide here. Uh-oh, he's just walked the ball out of play. Fox. Mata. Fernando Torres. Eden Hazard. Quick ball. Presented possession to the opposition now. Well, this could be a chance. He's going to cross it. And that will only run to the opposition. That wasn't the idea when the cross came in. Frank Lampard. He looks round for support and it's arriving. And the keeper stops that. Good passing. He's had a good game in that respect. Nathaniel Klein. And it's Ricky Lambert. Ashley Cole intervening there to good effect. It's Fernando Torres. Good ball. Promising piece of attacking play. Came to nothing in the end, and now the opposition have the ball back. Nathaniel Klein. Chelsea have got possession back. Schneiderlin. Josh Hoyveld. Fox. To Davis. Fox. They've got the midfield players back behind the ball as well. Fox. Mikel with the challenge. Fox. Read the intentions of the opposition there to make that interception. Ivanovic. Now Mikel. Here is Lampard. Well, that's keeping the defenders on their toes here. They've got to try and stop this attack. That's a good pass. Here's the cross. And that's straightforward for a goalkeeper of this calibre. And that's great skill to get the ball off the ground like that.
It's a deft touch.
And that's good attacking play. Positive thinking from the players. Oh, that's the end of the attack. Very abruptly. Jay Rodriguez. Opportunity to cross it now. Daniel Fox puts in the cross. Ramirez. That's called giving the ball away. wide playing surface here, and they're using the full width of it. Manager thinking for the away side, time for a change. What a chance here, and hits it! Oh, and a little bit of easy work for the goalkeeper this time. Adam Lallana. Nathaniel Klein. A good thrust by the player on the ball. Good attacking play from the forward here. He's beaten the defender. And the defender able quite simply to deal with that cross, actually. Now Torres. Ramirez. He's read that well to intervene. Well, he tried to find his man, but he's only put the ball into touch. This is a key moment for the manager. He knows he's got the lead, and he's now going to do his best to try and retain that. Well executed. Schneiderlin. 20 minutes now remaining. Here's Davis. Fox. It's a shame for the player, really. He's a creative player, but that wasn't very creative with that pass. Ramirez. Chelsea on the attack. Here's the chance to get in the cross. Well, it was a good prospect there for the attacking team, but the ball winners got it back for them. Fox. Jay Rodriguez. Adam Lallana. He'll have to come up with something more special than that to get a goal from that distance. Still in possession thanks to the header. Gulli de Prado. Back on the ball now, Chelsea. Supported through the centre, Fernando Torres. Good ball. And it's going to be an attacking move, this, from Chelsea. Keeps it going well. Chance for Chelsea, and he shoots. Well defended, got his body there. He's got space. Really clean dispossessing of the opponent there. Nathaniel Klein. That's a wonderful pass. Oh, and the build-up, great build-up, stopped here. To Davis. Schneiderlin. And it's Lampard. Chelsea attacking here. They're passing it well here. Opportunity for Chelsea. Oh, he's beaten his marker. That was a poor cross, really. They just couldn't catch up with the play, the midfield men. Very good Chelsea today, and good value for a victory that they should now get. And the pass doesn't get through because the defender actually recognised the direction it was coming in quickly. Well read by the player who stopped that pass, cutting his team apart. Good pass. Really good stop at a vital time. Schneiderlin. Nathaniel Klein. Gulli de Prado. Here's Davis. Fox. Ball goes out of play here quite clearly. An attempted pass, but not a good one. Well, it might be a good idea just to get a fresh player on and cement their position as they look to hold on to this lead. Quick ball. Well, he's passed his man here easily. To Davis. Great work from the referee in terms... Well, in the referee's mind, there was an advantage, but not enough of one, so it's going to be the free kick. Just spotted the ball up and they're playing. Dangerous here, Fernando Torres. Brilliant opening. A wonderful piece of defending from this fella. They know the clock is against them, but the opposition is doing well against them as well. Oh, in goes the cross. The defending here was top class in a difficult scenario. Good ball. That's a good pass. And it ends with this shot. Teed up beautifully for the first-time shot, but he's missed it.
Well, it was begging to be hit, wasn't it? The quality of the pass, the weight of it, perfect.
Well, that's what defenders are there to do, I suppose, but it could have been a better cross. And it's Lampard carrying it forward. There's the final whistle. It's a win for Chelsea. Well, they wanted this friendly game to get themselves going again. They've lost the game, but in the end, maybe there'll be more advantages than perhaps the result would suggest.
I think they were trying out one or two things out there that didn't quite come off, but the manager might have found it quite useful to see which of his players could adapt